It's go time for ramp workers, and each has a specific job to make sure planes get to and from the gates at Pittsburgh International Airport.
You marshal in the plane is huge, it's loud.
They're wing walkers. They're making sure things are clear on the side so the wings don't hit anything.
Lydia Fennell is a ramp agent with 8 years on the job.
I was a little intimidated, but I fell in love with it.
She does it all, climbs up in the belly of the plane, unloads and loads bags, and drives tugs. But her favorite role?
Pushing out the planes, that can be really fun, especially talking to the pilots.
Pitt has about 140 peak daily departures, so ramp crews stay busy. Safety is a top priority.
You know, you have to keep your head on a swivel.
Team huddles, safety checks, and walks happen before arrivals and departures. That includes fog walks, looking for foreign object debris.
Whether it be zippers, nails, rocks, pick them up so they don't get ingested into the engine.
It's loud on the ramp, so hand signals are used to communicate with each other.
This means hook up the power. This means hook up the air. X means just stop. Lifting bags sometimes is a challenge. You know, sometimes we can get from bags that weigh 35 pounds to 100 pounds.
When it comes to working on the ramp in the summer versus winter,
Winter is, I think, my favorite just because it's cold. Yeah, out here when it's 90 degrees, the cement can be really, really hot.
The rain is probably the worst weather to work in.
despite the rainy days, crews enjoy their work. Work with a pretty awesome view.
I love it. Yeah, I do. I really do.